What is blockchain for beginners? The best example ever. Let's say you are selling a product online and I wanna buy it from you. What happen? I get my credit card, I enter my details to your website and money is transferred from one account to another account. That simple. What if I tell you we can do the same transaction? I can send you money without banks, without government, without any managing us, without any third party. How simply the blockchain. What is blockchain? It's simply a place to keep record. It's like a database. The data is recorded in a block. These blocks are connected in a series. This is why it is called as blockchain. Now what makes the blockchain so special? So that allow us to transfer money and currency without third party. The main question here is that anyone should ask, how safe is this? Who will guarantee the transaction? If we do not have any bank or government managing us this transaction, who will validate this transaction? The answer is simple, the blockchain itself. How does this happen? The idea is simple. When you make a transaction on a blockchain, this transaction, the data, the sender, the receiver will be recorded in every single block in the blockchain. When each block is treated singularly, or we call it the contract on this blockchain, must verify this transaction. The majority must accept it and approve it until it is accepted by. It is almost impossible to hack the system of blockchain because it is not related to the centralized administrator. It is decentralized network. As everyone in the blockchain has accepted what is happening on this network, this is what make it safe. It's almost impossible to hack or hack it. So we have now learned the two main features of blockchain: high security and decentralized. The third characteristic is that the blockchain is public and cannot be changed by anyone publicly. So anyone can browse the blockchain and see what transaction are seen, all validate transaction. Is this how you can ensure that your transaction are on the blockchain, verified by everyone on the blockchain? The fourth characteristic is that the data in the blockchain is immutable, which means you can't change or delete. This is why if you are looking at a graph of your any network in the blockchain, let's say the Bitcoin blockchain, it is a cryptocurrency example. The flow is high, it is going upwards. You will see it evolves like this because data is always increasing. We always add data that we cannot delete or change, so it is always expanding. So hope you like this video, and if you like more shorts video like this that explains some of the topic in the technology and the new world, web 3.0.